appointing one of the most, intelligence and competent person as the governor of Manipur during this trying time shows the serious concern of the central government in solving the problems of Manipur. That's number one. I know Balaji. He is a world experience and he held many important posts in a government of Indian administration. Mainly he held the home department which was dealing the situation in the entire Bharat, particularly the present Manipur situation. He know very well. That is, our happiness is appointing such a well experienced person as a governor of Manipur is highly appreciated from the government side, from my personal side, and from the people of the Manipur side. We highly appreciate the Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji, for appointing Balaji like an integrity person as a governor of Manipur. I believe his presence and his appointment as a governor will do something. And the people, not only the people, I myself expecting lots, particularly in restoring the peace. His appointment will help like anything. Because they are the creator of the present situation. They doesn't want restoration of peace in the state of Manipur. They will say sometimes sun is moon. My sincere apologize and sorry was to the victims who lost their loved ones, who are the displaced persons living their homes and residing in the relief camps, who are not having any money for expenditure even in their pocket. So I'm feeling sorry for them. I apologize to them. That's why I'm trying to restore peace in the state of Manipur. Opposition का तो जो लोग बोलेगा वो तो सन भी मुन में बोलेगा ना. The present conflict in the state of Manipur is very complex. It cannot be solved within night. It will take time. So slowly, central government is doing what the Manipur peoples asked to do. Even 60, 70, 80% is doing, implementing. So the people of Manipur should keep trust to the central leaders, to the government. Then only we can save our state. Then only we can protect our peoples.
Thank you.